Dear Mom, this quote is of Maria Paula's university degree. Because of your hair, you cannot be with us. We are happy in the new city, Bogota. We live in an apartment on the street 174, number 779. On the right side of the entrance doors is the living room and the dining room, and 3 is a large window, and its outside view is beautiful. I love the sunsets. In the living room there are 2 sofas. On top of each of them there are 3 cushions. There is also a lamp, a mirror, a coffee table. There is also a piece of furniture on top of it, the TV and the box below. This is the sound equipment. In the dining room there is a table with 6 chairs, a lamp, a round table on top of the telephone, and 3 floors. There is a mirror and 3 paintings. On the left side of entrance is kitchen and the paintings, and the patio. There is a hall that has 2 rooms. Between 2 of the rooms is the bathroom, and there is a closet. Our apartment has 3 rooms. In the main room are 1 bed. It's comfortable and very big. On the 3 there are 2 pillows. There we share moments with my family. There is also a wardrobe, and on it is television. There is also a table at night. In the room there are 2 windows overlooking the encircled hills on the city. The girls are in 2 other rooms. In one of them there are Maria Paula and Daniela. There are 2 beds, and on each there are stuffed animals. There is a chair, a desk, and it is on the computer. There is a small table, and there is doors. In the room there are 2 windows. In another room there are Natalia and Juanita. There are 2 beds, and there are doors. There is a night table, a desk, and on it there are books and some doors. On the right side there is a window overlooking the street. On the floor, a soccer ball and ukulele. Mom, life here is little more hectic than in Armenia. There are very heavy days. My activities on normal day are I wake up 4:50 a.m. Later, I take a shower at 5:30 a.m. After that, I eat the breakfast with my family at 6 o'clock. Then take to school my last daughter. Later, I come back to house organized to 8 o'clock. After that, I prepare the lunch, 11 o'clock. I eat the lunch and at 1:30 p.m. After that, I pick up my daughter to school, 3 o'clock. Usually, I study at 4 o'clock. Then I prepare the dinner of 5 o'clock. After that, I did the dinner with my family at 7 o'clock. Later, I check the homework of my last daughter at 8 o'clock. Finally, I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. Mom, this city is very big. There are many historical, cultural, and great variety of landscapes. There are very sunny days, but as a rule, it's very cool, and lately it has been raining a lot. I hope some you can share with us here in the city. We will share many desserts. I know you like them.